No, bro, I'm on. You're so. Yo, this guy's kind of slow. Yo, bro.
Bro, you VR, bro.
Yes, I
Yo,
know
what
I'm
is
in
good,
VR,
y'all?
bro.
What is
It's
good,
not that
YouTube?
hard to
We're
notice.
back with another video. Today, we're gonna be.
Because I was being
What
sarcastic,
the
bro.
fuck am I
A
paused?
PC player couldn't be
Sorry, y'all.
doing this.
Just error mistake, cause like I have a fucking old ass computer. Okay.
Oh.
What is good, y'all? Today we're gonna be pranking people with the
You see some
Pornhub
good
intro
videos.
sound. So
Or
do
that.
not take this in the video seriously. I'm going to play the sound effect. It may not work, but it's
Do you
just so
just bust?
slow. I don't know who created this, but
Oh, oh,
what the heck?
I'm gonna, Did you get taller? What?
Yo,
Who got taller? Who's giggling? Who's giggling? Who's giggling?
yo, I'm trying to do this.
What? What do you mean what? I think he's on phone. Yeah, guys, I think I'm on phone too. I think I'm on phone too.
Alright, we're gonna do the we're gonna prank them with the sound effect.
Hmm? Tomorrow?
Hey, bartender, what can I get
This
for you?
tomorrow?
An angel shot, please.
Tomorrow, Tuesday? No, tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, I got school tomorrow. Yeah, I go to high school. You heard it? You heard what?
What can I?
He wants some of the vape. Look, he wants some. Here.
My daddy, I'm a superhero.
Who's clapping?
Yo,
Yo!
what? Hey, yo.
Who's clapping, bro? These kids, for real,
I
bro.
love
These
my
guys are
daddy.
freaks, bro.
My
Holy.
superhero.
What the freak did you just say? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't call
No,
me.
I'm not.
Yeah, bro. What the?
So, what?
Well, it really depends, because I
Man.
can say this in chat.
Let's see a dragon or something. Oh my gosh, yeah.
No, I don't want that shit, bro. Fuck you.
Diddly.
Yeah, shut
What
up.
is this buns off it, bro? Is this like an
I'm a
8-year-old girl?
rapper, get it right. Anyways.
Bro, that's a tough fit. What do you mean? It's super
Kid's little
tough.
Zaza, and this kid probably.
Look, doesn't this look like Zaza?
No,
It looks like a
actually,
vape.
it does. It
Like a
does
vape.
kind of.
What?
Looks like a vape, bro.
Y'all are insane. But yeah. I've wrote that paragraph like 5 times now, trying to send it to you. It's so buns.
What?
Oh.
Mid, honestly.
No, I don't want that fucking
It's
shit.
kind of mid.
Damn, nigga. Always ask me.
Amazingly mid. Sorry, my fault. I'm just trying to hate.
There's this Mexican named Lily at my school.
I'm back.
She's a total bitch.
You
To me.
already...
Did you just say no word? Hate.
I said it.
Trying to
Learn what it means to reciprocate. How much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think of the plans I made this day. And you just can't call. Stay, stay. I watched you let you run my can't stop thinking.
This song sucks, bro.
Okay, I'm back.
This song is dookie, bro. This song is
And I'm
dookie.
in love. Don't you have to know what love is?
Oh, oh! I got
You play some Mexican music,
because
bro.
that's me!
Just ask her. Ask her. Ask her.
Right. Out. Did we try others? Giraffe milk, fish milk, orangutan milk. And if the first 40 were good, why did
Bro,
we
play
keep
some
going?
hype music, Brian
I miss
Depressed.
my coffee, but it kisses help you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like. I'm not on no games, but
Yeah, I'm
baby,
sorry, but like this is so fucking stupid, like dead ass.
I'm something we're saving. It's all for the
Ain't no one
taking.
depressed in
I
here.
always say.
Yo, my fucking internet's ass. I'm about to crash out. On my Discord.
I don't got no songs.
It's advertised, there's got to be more. Been here before. Life better or sadder. Got to break this pattern. Floating away.
I cannot say
Find something worth saving.
Mr. Clean.
It's all for the taking. I always say,
Mr.
I'll
Clean.
be better outside. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Can you play some music?
Karma's really real.
We need some music, man.
What?
Okay, I
We
got
need
it.
some music. We need some music.
An angel shot, please.
Hey, you guys want to hear the drama?
Yes.
Okay, in my history class, there were two boys. They were vaping, and it's like, oh gosh, and huh?
I'm joking.
This is supposed to happen.
Oh my god.
But I don't really got a favorite artist, honestly, bro. If I would've leaned towards someone more,
What's up, guys?
Hello.
probably Neptune Vega.
Dude, I gotta tell you
or-
something.
Nuh-uh.
Or
Look at my avatar.
I see.
Or
Can you guess who I'm
D'Artagnan
matching with
or,
now?
What's the other guy's name?
Well, you have a cross necklace on, so I'm
Honestly,
guessing
bro, it's
mice.
my song. Or Drake, bro. Ivan. Who's Ivan?
Hello?
What do you mean Ivan? Who's Ivan?
Yeah, you're muted.
Ivan.
AJ joined. I'll be right back.
What singer is that? So anyone play music, bro? What the freak?
Dad.
Can anyone hear me?
Let me bring you to the
Okay.
thing. Let me bring you to the thing. Let me bring you to the thingy.
Some Ivan going something, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I know him. Bro,
Hell nah.
Bro, ain't no one playing
What?
music, bro.
Not this again, bro.
Yo, why's my like why my sound effects not even coming through? I'm so confused.
Yo, Cocomelon, where she
What the
at?
heck? Bro, I just fell. Mama. Yo, this video did not go as planned, bro. But yeah, guys, the sound effect did not come through. I don't know why. It just didn't for some reason, bro. Like, I tried putting on the sound effects, but it didn't work, so bye.